In this video, I'll show you how you can download apps on your PC or your laptop. Now the easiest way is to use the Microsoft Store. So simply come down here and search for Microsoft Store. Open up this one and just let it load for a little bit. And once it's done loading, you'll be able to see all the games on the Microsoft Store. And you can also go into apps if you want and find some apps. And as you can see, they have a lot of things in here. You can find Minecraft, Roblox, and everything. And you can find free ones if you want. And simply select the one. Let's say you want to play Candy Crush, right? Simply press on it, press get, or press install if it says install, and you'll be able to play it. Now it's really easy and simple to use the Microsoft Store. And like I said, you can go between the apps and gaming, arcade. You can even go to entertainment, which is movie apps and stuff. And you can see there's TikTok, Adobe, LinkedIn, everything that you possibly need. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.